Are those clouds going to keep our temperatures kind of tempered a little bit, or what are you thinking?
Kind of mixed a little bit. So there's some tropical moisture coming in.
Yeah.
So you're going to have that muggy feel to it today. We've been feeling a lot of that lately. So it's kind of back to that as we do kick off this week. And a lot of that is actually the remnants of that tropical storm sitting to the south and west of us. Mount Tam right here, you can see looking down into the bay, there is some of that low cloud cover. That marine layer is still set up right at the coastline. We're likely not to see as foggy of conditions, though, making our way over the next couple of days just because of that cloudy blanket aloft itself. Now, on radar right now, there is quite a lot of green to take in. Now, there is a lot of moisture that has moved into the region, but not a lot of this is actually falling in the form of rainfall per se. So we do have a few sprinkles, especially once you venture up into Mendocino County. But look at that funnel of low stratus stretching well offshore. That is ahead of this right here. Tropical Storm Alita, rapidly weakening system as it enters colder waters. But as it further pushes up our direction this week, there will be some moisture from it that gets carried on over into California. And the question is here, what exactly the impact will be? It certainly ups your thunderstorm potential today, tomorrow, into early Wednesday, as well as a few showers too. Monsoonal moisture to the east of us, tropical weather to the west of us. This season right here is quintessential El Nino right here, with those warm sea surface temperatures adding up to this very bizarre feel that we have been tapping into. Futurecast, you can see that it is not detecting any cloud to ground moisture aside from some of that up in Mendocino County. So more than likely only about a 5% chance of any sort of thunderstorm development or actually rainfall reaching the ground. Good news for us here locally, air quality continues to remain good. Wildfire smoke stays up in Oregon. So we won't have really any adverse impacts from any sort of wildfires burning anywhere nearby. 60s for your daytime highs in the city today, 60s at the coast, and a lot of 70s to 80s elsewhere. Your daytime highs today will be pretty close to seasonal averages. Redwood City and San Carlos at 78 degrees, San Jose at 81. East Bay temperatures ranging anywhere between the 70s to 80s as well, with Livermore on the warmer side at 88. Berkeley on the cooler side, right at 70 degrees. Vacaville really one of the only spots barely hitting 90 degrees today. Tomorrow's temperatures will be quite similar to today's. We are going to be seeing partly cloudy conditions tomorrow. Very slim chance of a thunderstorm for your Tuesday. After that, we level out close to seasonal averages, 60s, 70s to 80s from Wednesday, Thursday on into the upcoming weekend.